Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning in today. By the title, you guys know I will be doing individuals and they will be jumbo style. Late last night, I already sectioned my hair into the portions that I wanted. I oiled my scalp, oiled my hair. So that part is done. I will show you guys what they look like, but I didn't record because it was too late. For this style, I will be using my sewing rack, aka a braiding rack. If you look this up on Amazon, you will find it just by typing in braiding rack. This was about like $24, I believe. So I'll probably just section it. Like this will be one braid, this will be another braid. So I'll go like that, just to kind of make it quicker for me. I'll probably, being as though I'm doing a feed-in, I'll probably do 3 to 4 strands of hair per section. Also, this is the hair I'm using by Spectra. It's already pre-stretched, and it is a color 1, 30-inch. So, and this is the twin pack. Let me see what it says. Soft and light, which it is. It's pre-stretched, itch-free, easy braiding, hot water set, water repellent, and fast drying. So I use this hair often, mainly when I'm doing like a ponytail one braid, or if I'm doing individuals, because only thing I have to do is break the hair apart into the sections that I want, and that's pretty much it. You need a comb, a brush, some alligator clips or some regular clips. This is what I oiled my hair with, and I'll probably use this at the end of my styling. If my hair feels too dry, I have this Raw Whip, which is a Black-owned company. I found her on Instagram, and I'll link her below, but I use this from head to toe. This is a wonderful moisturizer. The #1 choice for braiding, Shine & Jam. So I will definitely be using this to make my parts a little bit more straight if they need to be, and just to give that clean, shiny look that I like. All right, and for this video, I do have my hair into twist. So I believe it's 14. So I have 4 twists right here, 5, 6, and then it's 13 or 14. So I have 2 braids right here. 3 will be going here, and then I just have 2 big ones right here. All right, so starting out, like I said earlier, I did part my hair the night before, and I did fairly well parting, so I didn't really have to go in and reinforce any parts. But to get a nice crispy part, you want to go ahead and with the Shine & Jam and put that on the parts that you already made, and pretty much use your comb and re-part that section. And it's going to give you a very nice straight and sleek look to your box braid. So that's a tip to get those nice crispy parts. Now with this section, apply the edge control or the Shine & Jam throughout the section and get it as smooth as you can with a brush or whatever you normally use. From there, you're going to want to start your braid. I'm braiding down twice, I believe. So 1, 2. So this is with my natural hair, just braiding down a little bit, and then I'm going to add the braiding hair. I'm going to tuck it with my thumb and my pointing finger and braid down again, but I am, if you guys could see, I was looping that hair over, and then with this one, the same motion with my hands, braiding down twice and then tucking that hair under. So at first, I'm starting out with looping the hair over and braiding down. And then as I go along with the braid, I am using my pointing finger as well as my thumb, securing that hair, and I'm holding it in my mouth, or if you had a client, of course, over their shoulder, and braiding the hair down, but tucking that next part under. I hope that makes sense, because I think that is the best way I can explain it. All right, so if you didn't get it before, smooth your hair down, and you want to part your natural hair into 3 sections, and you're starting to braid. So you're braiding down 1, 2, and then you're adding the hair, securing it with your pointing finger and your thumb, and you're letting that top piece fall right over, and you're just pretty much braiding naturally. Then you want to add another part, use the same fingers, and now you're just going to secure an additional part up front, and then you're going to let that fall in as well and continue down. And one more time, add it in, secure it using your pointing finger and your thumb, put it in your mouth or put it over your shoulder, start your braid, and let that piece fall in. Hope you got it. Did that make sense? I hope so. And then from there, after I secure the feed in, I pretty much add gel to pretty much disguise my hair, if you will. And then I am pretty much a underhanded braider. That part I can't teach. I can't even teach how to braid. So I hope you guys already know how to braid, but that's how I did the feed in part. Okay, so 3 times for good luck. Um, you just want to braid your natural hair down as if you were about to do a braid out on your hair. Braid it down 2 to 3 times, and then you want to add the extension hair right over that existing braid you already started and continue to braid down once or twice. And I am going to add another piece of extension hair that's not going over, so I'm flipping one of those pieces back. So braid down, flip that part back, okay, and continue to braid down. I'm going to add another piece in. I'm still using the same pointing and thumb, so add another part in. I'm going to hold that, reserve that to braid in, and then flip it back. There you go. And like I said, I am an under braider. I feel like they look better, so just continue to braid. So that took about, let's round it up to 2 hours. I am getting ready to dip my hair. I have a glass of hot water here, and I think I'm gonna put some beads on the end right there. So I have this pack of wooden beads that I got from Amazon. So I'll do it's 3 different colors in here, so I'll do a light brown and then like this reddish orange color, and that's it. So let's go ahead and dip it. I still have to braid. This hair is really soft, so make sure you're braiding tight when you're doing it, but it's okay if you're going to put beads on the end. All right, so after you pick all your beads up, you want to put the bead on the crochet needle first, just so it slides on. Then you loop your hair on and, you know, flip the end part over the bead and secure it with a rubber band. The excess hair on the bottom, you could just cut it off. It's not really a big deal. So there you go. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the end. I did end up using more than 3 beads because it just lacked a little bit and I wanted them to look more unison. So I didn't put an exact amount on each one, but you'll see at the end how it looks. All right, because I wanted my hair to dry kind of fast, I did go in with my handheld dryer. I wanted the mousse to be dried, and any of those strayaways that I was seeing at the top of my head, I wanted them to be flat. So this is an optional part, but I just want to show you guys what I did. So I have completely let the mousse dry on my hair. I took a shower, and I probably let it sit for a good 30 minutes. So this is how it looks. This is the ends. And it is, you know, waist length, not too long. It's kind of loud too, but it is all right. But it came out so nice. I love the black color. It looks natural. No complaints. So in total, I used 3 packs of hair, and it took me around 2 hours. The beads took probably additional 15 minutes, maybe. It wasn't that long, so I would say definitely try this out. It was a quick, easy style if you start in the morning and you want to go out or whatever you want to do. That is pretty much it for this super easy tutorial. 2 hours, braids, beads, looks. I don't know what else to say, but try this at home and like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching and being so loyal to me. So I'll see you in the next video.